Hello students, today our topic is a bisection method. So first we introduce myself. I am Dr. Swati Jain from SIIT Bhopal, SAGE group. So today we discuss on the topic of bisection method. So before we start this method, we know about the algebraic and transcendental equation. सो एल्जेब्रिक ट्रांसलेटरल इक्वेशन क्या होती है? यदि कोई फंक्शन f(x) इक्वल्स टू 0 विच इज ए पोलिनोमियल कंटेन्स exponential or trigonometrical or logarithmic function, then this types of equation is called a transcendental equation, and the equation of the type f(x) which contains only variables, then this types of equation can called algebraic equation. So by numerical method we solve both type of equations. Next one is a bisection method. So bisection method is based on the repeated application of the intermediate value theorem. That means if f(x) equals to 0, which can be algebraic and transcendental equation, then we find the roots of this equation. Let the roots of this equation was a and b, which are the opposite signs, and if that is fa into fb is less than 0. If this condition n is satisfied, then we find the approximation of the roots is x1, that means mean of both two roots. So we get next root x1 and put the value of x1 in function of f(x) equals to 0, and then we check कि f(x) will be positive or negative. If we get the negative value, then we replace the negative value with previous negative value, and we get positive value, then we replace the positive value previous positive value, and next we find the next approximation and continue this process till the decimal point will be matched. So we can explain by the question. The question is the find the real root of the equation x log x minus 1.2 equals to 0 by bisection method. So we put the value of x 1 is we get the negative value, and we put the 2, then we get again negative value. So we put 3 and we get the positive value. So the root will be between 2 and 3. जो रूट्स है वो आपके अपोजिट साइन के होना चाहिए एंड कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए एफ ए इंटू एफ बी इज लेस देन 0. जब हम ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो जाती है, देन हम फर्स्ट अप्रोक्सीमेशन फाइंड करते हैं, एंड विच इज कॉल्ड x1, which is the mean of the two roots, and we get 2.5. 2.5 को अगेन हम इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे, और पुट करने पर हमने देखा कि हमें अगेन नेगेटिव वैल्यू मिल रही है. दैट मीन्स हमारे पास 3 रूट्स हो गए, 2, 3 एंड 2.5. अगेन हम 2 जो नेगेटिव रूट्स है, दैट मीन्स 2, उसको हम रिप्लेस कर देंगे 2.5 से, और हमारा नेक्स्ट अप्रोक्सीमेशन फाइंड करेंगे x2. x2 हमारा आया 2.75. x2 को हमने अगेन फंक्शन में पुट किया, और वैल्यू हमारी आई 0.008, which is again a positive value. So this time we replace the positive value, positive root by positive root. That means 3 replaced by 2.75, and we have the two roots between 2.5 and 2.75, and we get the third approximation. Third approximation is again 2.625, and put the x3 in function, and we get negative value. So this time negative value replaced by previous negative value, and we find the fourth approximation, and we will continue in this process and find the approximation like x5, x6 and x7, and we can see that the x6 and x5, x7 match the till one point. So we will continue with our process and find the x8, x9 and x10 and continue this process till decimal point will be matched 3 decimal place. So we can see that key x12 is a 2.7404 and x13 is a 2.7404. डेसिमल के 3 पॉइंट्स के बाद 3 पॉइंट्स तक आपकी वैल्यू मैच हो रही है, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि हमारा जो एक्चुअल रूट होगा वो 2.740 होगा। थैंक यू।